Hey, welcome to the Man and the Pan. We got another great one for you. I'm gonna make a Spam Katsu and Spam Teriyaki Musubi. Okay, the first thing I do, I get the Spam, okay? I cut them up to about 8 feet. I like my Spam a little bit thick. Grab the egg, crack the egg. Mix it all up. Okay, all what I do, dip the Spam in the flour, not too much flour now. Brush it off, put it inside the egg, flour, egg, dip them in the panko.
Then I fry it with a little oil in the pan.
Okay, just about done. Okay, just like that. Look at that. Okay, you got your Spam Katsu there. Now I'm gonna make teriyaki Spam. This Spam is so good. I can just wipe it off just like that. Nothing sticks in here. Okay, look at that. Perfect. You see? I just with the hand towel, just clean them like bird. So all I do is I got 1 tablespoon of shoyu, and I got just about equal part of mirin. You can just put shoyu sugar really lightly, just like this. Okay? I put my Spam in. I don't like my Spam not crispy. On the fire a little bit. Then you add the sauce right inside here. And you kind of like stir it all around. Okay? Just like this. Man, the burger look on. That's about done. Perfect. Look at them. Right over here. There you go. I got the Spam and I get the Katsu. Okay? You also get your nori sheets, right? And you cut it right in half down this way. Okay? It's time to make my musubi. So I get these the musubi maker, okay? Just like this, right? Put the nori on the bottom. Now the rice is like super hot. It just came out of the rice cooker. Just like that, okay? Then I put on the teriyaki Spam, okay? Cover it again with some rice, just like that. Squash it down, okay? Remove the rice cooker, then you fold it right in half, just like that. See? Man, just like that. Put some rice. Now I got the Katsu on, okay? Here's the Katsu. Smash them in. Put on some rice. Sit down. See, that's why it's good to have it a little oiled so the rice and everything doesn't stick like that, okay? Then you fold it over, just like that. 1 Katsu, and I got 1 teriyaki. It's always better to wet your knife, yeah? Here you go, Spam Musubi, Katsu Musubi, and Teriyaki Musubi. But the burger look good. Let's see how it tastes. This is the Teriyaki Musubi. It is so ono. Cannot be when it's fresh, that is. Oh. Katsu Musubi. Oh. So ono. Until next week, we see you on The Man in the Pan.